Yeah, this is totally a mess, and not only did he crush it, looks like he broke it. Another one of them, Curtis, what you get me into. But here's an outside look. You can kind of see how deep that blade is down in this mess. And these are waterlogged, so they're really heavy because there's holes in them now, but it'll still work. Hey guys, Kapper here. Today I got the brand new R series on the trailer for a road trip, but I actually just got back, and if you look carefully, get in the sun here, you can see that I'm quite a mess. The things I do for my buddy Curtis. So anyways, our first road mission with the R series, and yesterday on the video I said today's going to be a better day, so we're going to do everything in our power to make it a better day. Not only is that thing going to get muddy, but I'm going to get muddy, so let's go have some fun and get some fresh air. Alright, if you remember last time I was out here, there was a really mucky crossing, and I almost got stuck in it. I had to pull myself up with the boom. Culvert right here. Oh, she's sloppy down here. Oof. Oh, all right. Well, not yet. Come on. But Curtis tried putting a culvert in there with his tractor, and he said he got stuck. But he was able to get himself out, backing out with the bucket. So it's going to be a messy scene, I'm pretty sure. But once I can pull some dry dirt from somewhere nearby, I think he'll be good to go. So we'll be there in just a sec. Yeah, this is totally a mess, and not only did he crush it, looks like he broke it. Shoot. I don't know if it's going to be long enough for me to even fix it. Dang it. Although I could couple that end with that end. It's kind of jury rigging it, but that could work if that end ain't broken too bad. So let's start peeling all this wet junk out of here. I think that tree's going to go first of all, that maple. Give me a little bit of room to operate. Alright, man, this is a mess. Let's see what we got here. Start peeling some of this out of here.
So make sure to hit the 100.7 kg Motex powered by floor heating and cooling at 800-467-5466. The same number you're used to calling in for request.
Let me peel all this and get into the culvert, and then you can join back up with me here and see how it looks. Alright, so there's a lot of cool things I'm already noticing. Since this blade is longer, not only is it longer, but it comes up farther and it goes down farther. I mean, normally that's about my max on the old one, but look at that. I could still, look at how much room, I mean, it's really nice how much elevation you can get. I wish I had an outside camera to show you that, but I'm sure I will at some point. the other half looks like. Oh, stop. Yeah, he did a number on that. Well, I'm gonna see if I can maybe squeeze it. See if I could kind of bend it back and make it workable. Now, if I could get it in there, roll it a little more and squeeze it, I think I might be able to make it work. This was at one of the freebies culverts anyways, but he definitely needs one here. Yeah, I think if I can, I'm going to get dirty connecting them, but if I could connect them, I think I can make it work. If I could get that. Out of here, get this thing flowing again, and I'll check back in. Curtis, you owe me. Another one of them, Curtis, what'd you get me into? But here's an outside look. You can kind of see how deep that blade is down in this mess. And these are waterlogged, so they're really heavy because there's holes in them now. But it'll still work if I can get it together and straighten that out a little bit. As long as it's even half open, it'll still function. We'll see what happens. Bringing mud in right now. So can you just smell the brand new machine smell? It smells awesome. All right, well, let's see if I could get this to connect. I think this could work. Come on, get on. There you go. There you go. Roll it a little more. Straightest culvert around, but it'll work. That end I could squish down. find some dry dirt. Pretty good. We'll know here. I mean, it looks like it's coming out, but I might have to redo this. If it's too smashed, but I'm here. It's only going to take a few minutes. At least I'll get it covered up, get it dried out. Oh, tree root. Get this at least passable again. Alright, I think we got progress. For a while there it wasn't really running. So I pulled all of the wet stuff out from this 10 feet here, and now I'm pulling dry stuff from both sides. But I just smashed it down a little more in that crooked spot, and now it's running, so it might still work. I just got enough dry stuff in here where I could start driving on it without sinking down. So we'll just start blading it across, compacting it as we go, and it's possible it's going to work. I guess I can't say till it's fully seated, because each movement kind of affects the water run. I suspect that smash is in, just a little bit too much smashed. I did put it all the way on the end the best that I could anyways. I'm getting a feel for the hydraulics. Gotta go all the way to get it to zip really fast, which I like. It's kind of a progressive handle, I guess, if you will. And then, of course, the final test will be when we drive over it, if it wrecks the whole thing or not. So let me fill this some more. Check back in. Alright, so I'm going to run across it here this time. It's stopped up again, but I'm hopeful. It's just not a lot of water coming right now, so I'm hopeful once I dig back in by hand, I'll open it up again. So that's my hope, but let's grade it across here and just see if I can open it back up, and then we'll probably